Welcome to Nonsophist channel. Now click on Google Chrome. After you clicked on that, we are going to type Gmail account registration, then you send it. Click on sign in. That is the only fastest way. Then you click on create account. Choose for my personal use and click next. Now you can add your name. I will choose Nonsophist as my own name. You can choose yours and click next. Basic information: month of your birth, day, and the year. Gender: if you are a male or female, you choose one and click next. I will choose nonsophist43@gmail.com as my own email address. You can choose yours. Now we are going to create a password. Create a password that we cannot forget easily. The password should be simple, but not that simple. Then you confirm it. You confirm the password and click next. Now we have our account. Click next. Scroll down and click I agree. Now we have our account. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more.